Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Let's just jump into this one, shall we? If you or someone else would have told me a year ago that in December I'd be vacuuming off the top of my pool with my shop vac, I'd probably slap you and be like, what you drinking? Okay, well, what you want? But that's what I'm doing, so here we are. Okay, so our pool has got the cover on it, right, to keep all the leaves and stuff out of it, so during the winter it doesn't turn to a nasty gooey mess for spring. But the cover takes on rain, so it's just one more thing we have to maintain, you know. So let's get this bag out of here. I think it's probably pretty full anyways. I could maybe use a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna take the foam sleeve and just slip it over because we're going for water mode. Because there's a lot of water on there right now, and I can see that so a little water is all right because it's sitting on top of the pool, if you will, but I got a lot of water on there, so it's stressing it a little bit. Okay, so I got my handy dandy Gorilla Cart wagon, which if you guys want to see more about this awesome thing, I got a video top right of your screen for that. But let's head around to the backyard and start getting to work. Okay, well, as you can see, there's a lot of water on the pool. Putting up some weight there on the cover, and so we're gonna get rid of that, or at least most of it. All right, so the shop vac's in water mode. I'll make sure these pieces are together tightly. And I'm putting the floor piece out there, but I'm putting it upside down, so it's hopefully, well, I've already done this once before, so it won't stick to the pool cover, okay? So it's gonna look more like a scoop without sticking to the cover and locking up. Pushing that out there. I wish my hose was just a couple feet longer. Okay, when you got this much water up here, it fills up pretty fast, even though this is a 16-gallon shop vac. Okay, and I've done this once before, but with a lot less water. This is going to take over probably it's going to take 20 dumps. Okay, because the other one took me almost a dozen. But thank goodness, most larger vacs like this have a drain down here. We got some happy puppies here, even though Molly ate some kind of bug last night, I think. Spider or something, her face is all swollen up. It's a lot better now. I don't know what else to say about this other than you might as well sit down and get a drink because you're gonna be doing this for quite a while. I'll be out here for over an hour doing this, but I'm just taking that weight off the cover because I figure that's the best thing to do, try to get as much of these leaves that are stuck in that water out as well. Anyways, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, check out our website. There's another video for you guys to check out. So much stuff. You guys have a great day.